Hello everyone at Overdrive. My name is Rabea and I'm here with Chapman Guitars at the NAMM show 2018. So I've been asked by the wonderful people at Overdrive to take you through some of the new models that we're bringing out this year. So I want to start by talking about something that's been a long time in the making, and that would be the 7 strings. So behind me to my left, this would be the ML1 Pro 7. So, as you know, we normally vote with the public on the spec of the guitars, the color of the guitars, and everything like that, which is what we've done here. And this is one of the new models, and it's an absolutely beautiful looking guitar. It's really, really, really nice. It features a lot of the same features and specifications that our Pro range do. So, for example, you have a Canadian maple flame top, you have a 3-piece through neck construction with mahogany wings that have been stained black, as you can see. We use hip shot locking tuners. These are the grip lock locking tuners. And we have stainless steel frets. We've got glow-in-the-dark side dots, ebony fretboard, and our custom Chapman pickups. It's a really, really powerful guitar. It feels great. And yeah, one of my favorite features is the pickup options, because we've got different blends. We've got humbucker, a blend of the single coils, outer and inner, and all that kind of stuff. So it's a really nice guitar. So that'd be one of the 7s. We then have the Ghost Fret 7-string. So this is much loved Ghost Fret, which is a familiar shape we all know and love. And it's a very popular guitar in our range. And we decided to do it as a 7-string. So again, it's the same sort of situation. We use mahogany wings, 3-piece through neck. We got the Canadian flame maple cap, custom pickups, stainless steel frets, all the same sort of spec, the grip locking tuners as well. And the color that was actually voted on by the public was this color. It's a very unique, interesting fade. And this is something that was voted on by you guys. So we're really appreciative to have you guys vote on the guitars, vote on the spec, vote on the colors. It's collaborative design, and we really love doing it with you all, so we appreciate it. We also, very excitedly, for a long, long time, have now brought out left-handed models. Because as you know, there are plenty of left-handed guitar players in the world, and we, since releasing the new range, didn't have left-handed models. So we brought out an ML1 Pro in a left-handed version. This is exactly the same spec that you would get in the right-handed version, but with this beautiful faded blue finish. And again, it's exactly the same spec as the normal right-handed version of this guitar. We've also released it in a V, which comes in this absolutely beautiful Fireburst. We're using a Floyd Rose trem. We've got our own pickups. Again, these are the beautiful cover pickups. The whole guitar itself, I really, really like this one. It looks very good. And we also have a Ghost Fret, left-handed Ghost Fret. So we've definitely tried to cater for a lot of different needs and requirements when it comes to guitar styles, because everybody likes different kinds of guitars. And it's also worth pointing out that we've also done the same thing with the standard range. So as you can see, we've got an ML1 Pro Modern in a left-handed version. We've got a Ghost Fret in a left-handed version, as you can see here. So we're really, really excited about these, and we hope that the left-handed guitar playing community is happy. Something else very exciting that we're releasing this year is, as one of them is currently in use right now, but we now have bass guitars. We've updated the bass guitars. We've updated the MLB1, which you can see here. So this is the new version of the MLB1 that you may remember. We've refined the shape, refined the design, refined the headstock, changed the woods, and generally speaking, it's just a killer instrument. But one of my favorite releases, aside from the fact we've brought it out in a 5-string, which is currently being demonstrated by Dave over there. So now we have a 5-string for all those good bass players that like 5 strings, is we now have the Dave Hollingworth signature bass guitars. So we have the MLB1DH, which is this absolutely gorgeous gorgeous instrument. As you can see, dual concentric pots, we've got active pickups, absolutely stunning neck through design, 5-piece neck through design, a Vankel Wenge, and we've got this Mappa Burl top, which is beautiful. I really love this, the faded Mappa Burl top, really nice. But where it really takes it up a notch is this. This is the MLB1FF DH, which is a fan fret bass, because Dave likes to play in really low tunings. So having a fan fret bass means you can actually take the tuning right down. You can be playing 8-string territory, 7-string territory on a bass guitar with 4 strings. So it's a really exciting release for Dave. And again, the Mappa Burl top on that is absolutely gorgeous. Everything else is the same spec as the regular MLB1DH, but it's a fan fret, so I just think it looks so good. And then, hopefully, if Overdrive make it back here tomorrow at noon, we have such an exciting announcement happening over here. As you can see, there is a special chappening at 12 p.m. PST. So there's a big reveal, and we are so excited. So far, that has been the lineup, the 2018 lineup for Chapman Guitars. Thanks to Overdrive for carrying our guitars. And yeah, I've been Rabea. Take it easy, and I'll see you all soon.